Google has officially released Gemini app for macOS. Here in this video, I'll show you how you can download and install it on your Mac. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open any browser and visit the link provided in the description box. It will open the official website from where you can download Gemini app for macOS. To download, click on Download for Mac. And here you can see it is downloading. Let me complete the download process. Once the download has been completed, double click on the file. It will open the installer window. Here, simply drag Gemini application to Applications folder and wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, close the window, and if you want, you can delete this installer file. Simply drag it to trash. Now to use it, click on Apps folder and look for Google Gemini application, or else you can simply search Gemini and open it. Here click on Open, and here we have the welcome page. Welcome to Gemini. In order to use it, we have to sign in with your Google account. To sign in, click on Sign in option and sign in with your account. Once done, you will get this window. If you want to send users statistics and crash report to Google, then you can simply check this box or else uncheck the box, then click on Use Gemini. And after that, you are ready to use Google Gemini application on your macOS. If you want, you can simply ask your question, or else you can click on this plus icon to upload files. So that's it. This is how you can install Google Gemini app on macOS. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.